喂，可唔可以刪咗佢先啊？
哇，好煩啊呢個男人。
哇，你好 messy 啊！
咁我就會用呢個 grate 落去。邊啊？喂，唔識。Oh my god！ 你個頭啊 ！Why aren't you using a spoon or something?
Indians don't need spoons.
唉
We use our hands. 哇，咁 mix 啊！你係咪 bartender 嚟㗎？
我可以做bartender。大家好，我係新德，你哋歡迎嚟到我嘅 channel。
Hello, I'm KU。
我哋今日又喺屋企啦。我哋而家搬咗出嚟之後咧，好多時都會喺屋企煮飯食啦。所以我哋煮飯嘅 skill 其實係好咗好多嘅。之前其實佢屋企人咧同埋我媽咪都係食素嘅，所以我媽咪係唔俾喺屋企煮肉啦，而佢屋企都唔會煮肉嘅。我哋都係會出去食肉啦，我哋唔會特登喺屋企煮啦，因為唔煮得。咁但係我哋搬咗出嚟之後咧，因為係自己屋企啦，所以我哋兩個咧好多時都會煮唔同嘅雞啊、魚啊咁樣，我哋都學緊點煮肉嘅，因為我哋都覺得有啲難。
Just need to get used to it。
係啊，所以咧我哋都學緊點整印度嘅菜，但係印度嘅烤雞啊或者魚啊咁樣，我哋慢慢試緊啦。咁 KU 咧係好中意整，我覺得好好味嘅 dish 咧就係 chicken tikka 加飯啊，咁就係烤雞加飯。其實你哋去到餐廳好多時都有得嗌烤雞啦，但係咧其實喺屋企整係超級易嘅，我都整到，你哋一定會整到。所以我哋今日咧就到唔係我媽咪教你哋煮嘢食啦，係我哋兩個。OK， 我教你哋煮嘢食，但係佢會喺附近嘅，
Yeah,
因為係因為佢好驚我會
burn the kitchen，
因為我個頭會咁咧，因為我啱啱沖完涼啦，而我啲頭髮係濕嘅，所以我就唔想啲頭髮跌落啲嘢食度啦，所以
extra spicy。
咁其實咧，印度係有一個 tradition 嘅，印度嘅女人咧之前咧係一定要沖咗涼先入到廚房嘅，因為係 consider 你唔乾淨啊，而廚房咧都係一個好 spiritual 係啊，係 pure 地方嚟嘅喺印度。好耐之前啦，女人嚟 M 嘅時候咧係唔入得廚房嘅。
Actually, the reason for shower may not just be this. It may just be like hygienic.
Yeah, it's hygienic as well, but it's also pure as well.
Yeah.
I don't agree with it, but it was just the olden tradition. 例如我見到我婆婆咧，我婆婆都係每朝一定要沖咗涼先會入廚房咯。就算佢想飲奶茶咧，真係好快咁樣整杯奶茶，佢都一定要沖咗涼佢先會入去咯。咁但係我媽咪嚟咗香港之後都 modern 咗啦，咁佢又唔會咁理啦，我都唔會咁理啦。但係我今日特登沖咗涼先入廚房嘅。
哇 ，so nice, authentic.
I know. 好啦，我哋而家去煮嘢食啦，因為我開始肚餓啦。Let's go.
So, what do we need for chicken tikka? Basically, the first step is you need to marinate all the sauces properly. So we have chicken, obviously. We have paprika. Doesn't matter if it's smoked or not. We have cumin, turmeric. This one you can buy at any Indian store. It's called garam masala. Very useful.
係一個混合咗嘅香料嚟嘅。
And then, so we're lazy to use fresh ginger, minced ginger, a little bit of oil.
蒜蓉咯。
Greek yogurt. You can use normal yogurt, but I think Greek yogurt is just healthier, you know, more protein. We will use fresh garlic. Garlic is actually really important. If you think you can just use the pre-mixed minced garlic, it may not have enough strong flavor, so we prefer fresh garlic. Salt and pepper. And of course, tomato paste, tomato puree. This is actually very helpful, not just for the color, but it will offset a little bit of the spiciness. And actually, we are not adding chili powder, but if you guys want spicier chicken tikka, you can add some chili powder as well.
咁而家係咪我整？
Yes, I'm just showing.
你用咗幾多雞啊？
This
呢個係
is
chicken breast 係咪？
chicken breast, yeah. Just one classic serving, 2 pieces of chicken breast.
2 pieces。
Yeah.
咁佢已經切咗啦。嗱，如果你哋連雞胸都唔識切咧，唔使繼續睇呢條片㗎啦，你哋可以出去自己嗌 chicken tikka 食啦。咁我哋開始 with paprika 啦，呢個你哋都可以喺 iHerb 買。2斤嘅2 teaspoons。Next 孜然。
喂，可唔可以刪咗佢先啊？
哇，好煩啊呢個男人。
哇，你好 messy 啊！
你好咩事啊？
冇擺入去嚇，
我知啊，1斤孜然，
要食多啲，
再多少少，1斤。跟住咧就係呢個 garam masala， 呢個咧你哋可能要去翻重慶買嘅，我唔知 iHerb 有冇。1 teaspoon， 呢個係差唔多每個印度嘅 dishes 都會有嘅咯。跟住咧就係薑黃粉啊。
喂，好少，呢個好少。
好少咁多，半斤。OK。
如果你想好 orange 嗰啲咧，你可以擺多啲。
因為你會見到好多唔同嘅印度餐廳咧，有啲烤雞係橙啲，有啲係紅啲，有啲係黃啲嘅。其實佢哋都係加色素，即係頭先 KU 所講啦。一係你就會加多啲 tomato puree 啦，一係你就會加多啲薑黃粉啦。咁如果你想你啲烤雞係黃色啲嘅個顏色，咁你咪加多啲薑黃粉啦。但係其實半斤都夠嘅啦。OK，next fresh garlic 啦。咁我就會用呢個 grate 落去。邊啊喂？唔識。Oh my god！ 你個頭啊！ OK，next 又係一間。OK，next
yogurt 好大隻 spoon，2
teaspoon，
少少多，
再加多少少，
好少。
咁 2.5 斤啦嚇。番茄 puree 啦 ，K 話加咁多，我唔知點幫佢。你
加我
夠未？
未，係夠。
嗱，即係1斤啦。檸檬，哇
！1 whole lemon，
係啊，要成個檸檬嘅 juice。哇，乜嘢啊，小姐？而家 Master Chef in working 啊。
Master Chef, more like messy chef。
跟住加少少油 ，drizzle 佢咁樣就得啦。跟住咧，加啲鹽同埋黑椒啦，加少少得噶啦，即係 to taste。咁我真係加少少。跟住 pepper 又係加，
可以多啲，
可以多啲。嗱，你中意黑椒就好啦。跟住咧，我哋就可以 mix 啦。
其實咧，好多人咧用手 mix。
唔知點解我唔中意用手掂 raw 咯，即係生嘅嘢食咧，我唔係咁中意用手掂。哇，好香啊 ！OK， 得未啊 ？So good， 你睇下。
OK 啊。
咁其實咧，我哋整完呢個烤雞嘅 mixture 咧，其實係要醃大約20至30分鐘嘅，因為啲雞真係要入味啊嘛。咁所以我哋就會擺喺雪櫃大約20至30分鐘，跟住再翻嚟整。
So now I'm gonna get started on the rice. I think this one's pretty easy, so I can handle it by myself. So a lot of people, obviously for rice, they will use water, but I'm gonna use chicken broth. Gives it a very nice and more authentic, yummy feeling. So what happens is, one thing not many people do is, what I did is I washed the rice beforehand, like wash it a few times, rinse it, and then I soaked the rice in just enough water to cover like a little bit. So you can soak it like this for around 30 minutes. After you cook the rice, you'll notice that the rice is much softer and like the rice gets a little bit bigger. My mom taught me this.
Okay.
What the ratio is, so I'm using around, let's say 1 cup of rice.
Okay.
And every cup of rice you use, or every measurement of rice you use, double it for the water or the chicken broth. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour the chicken broth into a container and we're going to let it boil first. So this is the first step. 3, 4, 5, 6. Just a little bit more, always helpful. Okay, now we need to wait for the chicken broth to melt.
It's already soup.
Melt, boil. But before we proceed, we can actually add a few spices. Add turmeric into this. It will give a nice color to the rice. Around 1 little teaspoon should be enough, not too much. 3 is more than enough. I'll use a bit less. Yeah. If you want to add garlic powder, you can add it at this stage as well, before it boils, but I think we're already adding a lot of garlic to the chicken, so no need to add too much. And then we will just stir it a bit. And now we wait for it to boil.
我哋等佢滾啦，我哋滾嘅時候再返嚟啦。
A few inches later.
Chicken broth is almost boiling. Actually, yes, it is already boiling. So when it starts boiling, you need to get into action. We will put the rice in, and then we will add a little bit of oil so the rice doesn't like stick together or clump.
Why aren't you using a spoon or something?
Indians don't need spoons. We use our hands. And then a little bit of oil. Yep. And then we stir it once a little bit.
哇，好香啊啲雞湯。
Yep. And now we will turn the gas to medium low and we will cover it.
留翻個啦。
Little bit there. Now we wait around 10 or 15 minutes. So basically we need to make sure all the water disappears, and then when you mix it, there's no water. That's the final step. So until then you can maybe wait or like check every now and then. Yeah, so this is how you cook rice without a rice cooker. So I think in a lot of Indian households, no one uses a rice cooker. We cook it ourselves.
最後一個步驟咧就係醬啦，咁其實咧醬就好易嘅，所以就由我教你哋啦。首先加2斤乳酪
Can add more.
Can add more 啊，
Yeah.
加多少少咯。2斤半啦，乳酪。跟住咧呢啲係 lime 即係青檸啊，如果我冇錯係青檸啦。
使唔使我用啊？
唔使，我食。哇啲，喂喂！ 哇！
新得嚟嘅 authentic 醬，你俾我做啊？
唔得，我得嘅。我哋好中意有醬啦食嘢，仲要係乳酪底嘅醬，因為有時我哋啲香料太熱氣咧，我哋要啲嘢 cool down 下，所以我哋好中意即係 side dish 係乳酪啊，或者你哋去到印度餐廳一定會有 mango lassi 係乳酪底啊嘛，就係令到你可以 cool down 咯，即係好似香港有涼茶，我哋就係乳酪。
其實唔想用 fresh lime 你可以用 lime juice 都得。
咁點解你逼我用 fresh lime 啊
？Yummier 啦嘛。
跟住咧，我哋就會要落啲薄荷葉啦。咁薄荷葉咧，其實都係喺樓下買啦。落幾多咧？外國人最中意講嘅 handful， 即係你隻手揸到幾多，你就落咁多啦。OK， 跟住咧就落幾多啊？少少又係 to taste 啦。
To taste。
鹽咧都係 to taste 啦。
少啲，因為呢個好易。
好多 lime， 係咪 ？OK， 跟住咧我哋就可以擺入個攪拌機。你
mix 下少少啊！哇，咁 mix 啊！你係咪 bartender 嚟㗎？
我可以做 bartender。OK。好似冇乜用喎，老細啊！ 唔該你哋 ignore the mess。I mean， 我覺得你要切一切啲 mint leaves 咯，你唔係就咁俾我咯。It's working。Yeah。搞掂啦。 我哋個攪拌機冇咁好啦，因為佢唔係我真係用嚟整 protein shake 嘅啫。可能你哋落薄荷葉之前咧，切咗啲薄荷葉先，等佢細啲，咁就會攪得成功啲。好啦，我哋個醬又完成啦。飯咧，飯嘅 status 係乜嘢啊？
哇！入邊有冇水啊？哦，冇晒水啊。Turn off the gas, cover it, but keep it covered for around 5 or 10 minutes minimum. Okay. So before we do that. I'm going to quickly, just for the added flavoring, and because I love it, I'm gonna add one more half a lemon, just to give it some nice tangy taste.
Oh, 你 squeeze 得咁好嘅
experience 啊嘛。
OK。
跟住 mix 咗少少啦。Cover. Now wait around 5 or 10 minutes. And then ready！ 啲雞都未
ready，I think 啲 chicken 應該要多10分鐘，我哋先可以擺入 air fryer。咁我哋10分鐘後翻嚟啦。
好啊。
A few moments later。
Ooh, chicken！
哇，好香啊！哇
！So dramatic。
如果你哋屋企冇 air fryer， 你哋一定要買，呢個係一個 life saver。我哋有好多嘢咧都可以喺入邊煮咯，仲要係極度方便，唔使用油添啦，係超級方便嘅。但係因為咧，我哋整 chicken tikka 係需要少少油，所以我哋就用咗呢支橄欖油嘅 spray 咧 ，spray 咗少少落將 baking sheet 度啦。咁我咧就會用羹嚟慢慢加啲雞入去啦。 喺 air fryer 整雞，我覺得咧啲雞出嚟嘅效果係極度嫩啦。我哋成日都會，即係如果我哋喺個 stove 度整咧，我哋成日都會 overcook 咗，真係要兩轉啦喂，太多雞啦。好啦，咁我哋就擺入 air fryer 啦。10至12分鐘之後可以攞出嚟睇下 ready 唔 ready 啦。哇！哇，好香啊，媽咪啊 ！Oh my god！ 啲雞 is done。 你見到仲有好多 sauce 剩，即係好多汁剩嘅，咁你就可以加上去啦。 完啦，有雞、有醬同埋有飯啊！呼呼 ！Oh my god！ 正，滲啲醬。我多數會加少少先嘅 ，just to taste。快試下。
哇 ，so yummy！Oh my god！
等陣，
好 tangy 啊！
啲雞勁嫩啦，薄荷醬係超夠味啦，佢有檸檬味，但係真係好正。同埋咧，我哋比較中意整呢個飯，我哋唔係咁中意同白飯食，因為我覺得啲飯有少少雞湯味，好正。你見到啦，呢個 recipe 係勁易整啦，真係你喺屋企，我哋用咗幾耐啊？9個字就整到噶啦，唔使出街俾得咁貴，同埋你知道喺屋企煮嘢食係健康好多噶啦，所以我哋而家就會繼續食啦。同埋我哋呢排喺 Netflix 喺度睇緊 The Brothers Sun， 好好睇。呢個就係我哋嘅 Saturday night， 因為我哋唔係咁中意出街，我哋而家中意留喺屋企食飯啊，睇住電視啊，個 vibe 好開心。你哋都可以試下整啦。如果你整完之後，好似我覺得好好味，記住喺 comment 話俾我知。好啦，我哋走先啦，拜拜。咦，你哋仲未走？走之前記住 comment、like 同 subscribe 我嘅 YouTube channel 啊！下次再見，拜拜。